In this lesson, we're going to review how to skip count by 2. So how you could do this is you could take a look at the number line and you can start at 2 and start skipping. So you would start here and jump by 2 each time. You would skip 1 and jump by 2. Skip 1 and jump by 2. And you just keep doing that till you reach the end. So you could see that each time we jump by 2. And now you could just read off the numbers. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And you could just keep saying that over and over until it's burned into your memory and you will remember it forever. And this will help you when you do addition in your head in the future. So you just keep repeating it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And here is a little card that you could take a look at and kind of keep with you. You could take maybe a screenshot of it and you could use this to always remember 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And that's really all the tricks on how to skip count. And if you need extra help, there's other skip counting videos that I've done. You can find those in the description. There's links there. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.